Yang nak mentang apa yang kami kahol, kami kahol, kami kata cakap, bah kami kita kapak sinari balik kan, ya di program di paper apa yang kami kahol, tentang pendidikan anda kawasan kami ke program.
Lajong nak jadi ibang nila konsep tentang ng pagkajugi maganda kita kasi ano nga hindi na pagkajugi yang kita sing pag-isang ng pagkajugi dahil kita sing pag-isang ng pagkajugi manila yang kita program kita ko bangsa pag-initial ba sa na yang ini sing yaitan ba mandi nila konsep ng pagkajugi dan kadang nakaparan kita ko I want to is the great joy we tell you, the great privilege all those gathered here, may your presence invite and exalting and stimulating radiance. We take pleasure in inviting you all for our annual day. Before we start this program, I would like to invite the parents as to celebrate this special occasion together. So I invite children of class 2KG to give a prayer dance now. So please welcome class UKG to perform and to show us your prayer dance. Good morning to one another. It is lovely to have you among us on this colorful and fantastic moment. It is my distinct honor and high privilege to welcome you all of our annual day celebration. I invite Sister Asha, our principal, to a leader is
Magaling po rin ay kapti kat ba isista idang komunikasyon ya isista.
I invite Sortiran to honor our sister with shot.
Special guest. The chief guest is Sister Amala, the principal of St. Anthony Higher Secondary School, Jairo. Now, on behalf of our MC members, I invited for this program as a special guest all our MC members. So, as a representative of our MC members, now I invite the president of our MC, Sir Cluster, on the stage to honor him.
monkey. You know how to dance like that? Yes. I will make you to dance now. Yes. Ay, ginang masyad, ginang magway, ginang magkren, magkanya. Okay? Ikimiro, ginang yok, katakan sinikay, dari ang pot. Magkinang niya siya kamat, magkihapag sumpo, magkanda passport, mahikikot. Magkanda panikay, mahayikin. It is short drama. Short story have the powerful to transport us to another world. Today our little storyteller will make you an adventure of imagination and fun.
Monkeys came down to the gaps. The man opens so the monkey where are the gaps? Ah, my gap is monkeys. What shall I do? Idea. The man to escape the monkey is through the gaps. The man get back and want to play. Thank you. Thank you. sorry, one day long. I did not see you. Goodbye, Cassius. Thank you for saying sorry. You're welcome. Oh my God, I'm feeling hungry. What happened? I'm feeling hungry. Wait. It's not eat the snack on the tech. You walk around for sharing your snack. Welcome, no one but thank for Wait, November. Thank you, Pascal, for helping me. You are welcome. Through this small scape, we tell you to use what target. Welcome. This magic work make everyone happy. Candy.
B, C, D.
A, B, C, D.
In the morning, brush your teeth.
In the morning, brush your teeth.
E, F, G, H.
E, F, G, H.
Hurry up and don't be late.
Hurry up and don't be late.
I, J, K, L.
I, J, K, L.
Learn the letters very well.
Learn the letters very well.
M, N, O, P, Q.
M, N, O, P, Q.
What we say is what we do.
What we say is what we do.
I, J, K, L. Learn the letters very well.
I, J, K, L. Learn the letters very well.
M, N, O, P, Q. What we say is what we do.
M, N, O, P, Q. What we say is what we do.
Goodbye and wave to me.
B-W-X-Y-Z. Say goodbye and wave to me.
Bye. See you next time. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Morning to one and all gathered here. Can I have the greetings from the children? Good morning. Good morning, students. Good morning, sir. Very good. So how are you all? On this auspicious day of celebrating, what day are we celebrating today? Annual Day. And as in the introduction it has been said, Annual Day, it is a day of celebration to celebrate the success, the achievements and the good memories that we all of us are called to cherish here in our school. Especially here in our school, St. Hubert Secondary, Madan Marai. So at this outset, I take this opportunity to thank as well, honor or to appreciate the great effort that had been taken by the headmistress of our school, Reverend Sister Asha, and the MC members, the president and all the other MC members,
and all of our beloved teachers and all the parents who have gathered here on this special occasion of celebrating this day. So special wishes and greetings to all of you, dear sister principal, teachers, MC members, parents, and to you, my dear students. Without wasting much of your time, just to say about, as I said, annual day, it is a day of celebrating our achievements, our success, and also to recall the sweet and the good memories here in our school. So I take this opportunity to congratulate the management of our school and all the teachers and the MC members for all the effort that had been undertaken to make our children's life a brighter one in the days to come. As when we build the house, we know that the foundation is very important rather than when we plan about the higher top of the roofs. But the prior thing, the very important thing that we need to have is the foundation. So today, the annual day mainly that is being celebrated by the pre-primary school. It shows that how important that we, all of us, value education. Giving a foundation for the primary school students, which is more important to impart a right knowledge, a right wisdom, above all with the values and discipline. So very happy to see all of the children who were here came on the stage. Very beautifully they performed all their performances with a meaningful input that they were able to give to us. So I hope all the parents also would appreciate the effort that have been undertaken by the management as well as by all of our teachers in guiding and motivating the children. On this day, I would like to tell you, Sister Amala, the principal of Higher Secondary School from Jaido. She is one of the council members in our North region. And she is our coordinator for the health, for the education department.
So I take this opportunity to encourage us by your presence, by your encouraging words. To our students, to our teachers and to our parents, overall to all of us. So I also take this opportunity to thank Sister Usha who have come here and graced this event to your presence. Now I would like to call all the pre-primary teachers on the stage. You know very well, these are our pre-primary teachers. So today they made this event a very successful one. So frankly to say, I have told them before 1 month to have this celebration. See, all of them agreed immediately and they said that we will do well, sister. And lots of work they did behind. We remember the children. Everybody remembered their own action, their own sentence to perform on the stage very well. It is all because of these teachers. Behind they worked a lot. Is it? So we have to honor the teachers on this day. Let us give them a round of applause. On behalf of our school and MC members, I also would like to contribute a little gift to them. So with this I would like to conclude, and you have witnessed this day how children are talented. Yes or no? 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, children able to perform very well, remembering all the things. So what about us? Okay, next year we will have annual day for whom? For whom will have? For pre-primary again shall we have, or you want to have for yourself? You want? Okay. So you have to perform both in the cultural activities as well as in the education, knowledge, increasing your knowledge and your annual curricular also you have to improve. In your studies also you have to improve. You have to get good marks in the studies. Understood, children? Okay. Thank you for everything for everybody.